Hi guys, welcome to the session on robotic process automation introduction. In this video, I'm not going through in detail with any specific automation software. I'm just giving an introduction to RPA. So, in agenda of this video, like introduction to RPA, types of RPA, choosing RPA types, few automation software introduction. What is robotic process automation? So by book definition, robotic automation refers to process automations where software drives existing enterprise application software in the same way that a user does. In simple words, robotic automation is a tool or a software that operates on others' application to perform some functionality by using existing user or application user interface. So for example, if you consider a customer order application, so in the customer order application form, there will be number of fields like customer ID, customer name, price, quantity, etc. So instead of manually entering all the fields or all the values to the fields, so using automation software, we can automate the process of submitting order. Types of RPA. There are two main types of RPA, like front office robots and back office robots. So if we consider back office robots run unattended. Unattended in the sense there is no intervention of human to perform the application in the batch mode. So if we consider the same scenario like placing customer order, so there will be thousands of records in the Excel or CSV files. So if you enter manually all the orders, it will take number of days to complete thousands of records. So what happens in the bulk mode, it will fetch the records and perform the operations in a virtual environment. Virtual environment in the sense it will not share your desktop, it will run in a virtual environment. So there is no need of any supervision by anyone. So the back office robots itself manages by sending a message to the server, like whenever server is down or robot is down. So front office robots share the same workstation with an employee who has control over where and when it is used. So the main difference between the front office robots and back office robots is the one, like back office robots run in a virtual environment, but front office robots share the same workstation with an employee. Choosing RPA types. So when do we choose front office robot and back office robots? So as I mentioned before, front office robots like front office applications, kind of like where we need to cut and copy paste or set up a call with a customer in one click, or single sign on, or sign on for the application in one click, like that. So general use, like in manual, repetitive, highly rule based activities containing decision points that require human intervention. Example, service desk, help desk, call center, etc. As I mentioned before, where we need to in the call center, suppose there is a need of set up a call, then we can use a automation front office robot to set up a call in one click. Communication with server is bidirectional robot to server, execution logs, automated process upload. So in these cases, we can use uh, FOR. FOR is nothing but front office robots. FOR can be triggered only from the local machine, either from the triggers generated by human in the other apps or via or Windows scheduler or manually. So there is a need of human interventions to perform the front office task. Back office robot. Back office robot or BOR is a robot that works in an unattended manner or independent of any human interaction. For example, customer order management. There will be bulk of order to perform. So in this case, we can use back office robot. Unlike front office robots, back office robots can be triggered both from local machine, either from triggers generated by human in the other apps or via scheduled task in the Windows task scheduler or directly from the server. Few automation software introduction. So I am considering only top 3 automation software available in the market. One is the Blue Prism, that is suits for BOR. BOR is nothing but back office robots which can handle or perform bulk of records. So UiPath Studio, that is for front office robots, as I mentioned before, in a setting up call in a single click, or sign on or sign in functionality for application in single click. For those purpose, you can use UiPath Studio. Automation Anywhere, one of the best software as I know, like it is compatible with front office robots or front office work and back office or back end work as well. So apart from these, I would like to mention there are automation robotic process automation can be implemented in 2 stages. One is application layer, nothing but using the user interface, and other part is by directly hooking web service and dumping the records or dumping the data. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video.